Okay, the throttle bushings came in. Gonna swap that one out and that one. Okay, we got the throttle bushing old one off. Now pretty much says put this on here like so. Next is the washer. Okay, now I gotta put in this washer. Now there is an old, looks like it goes in there. Okay. Okay. Get some reinforcements here. Hopefully I don't drop it. Oh, yeah. All right. And throttle bushing installed. Okay, seems to be working correct. What? Did you get another ice cream? Okay, this one's gonna be a little different because I gotta cut that one off, but it shouldn't be any different. And I got the other bushing off. Okay, it's pretty much easy as that. All right, got the new throttle bushings on. They actually look pretty cool, just as Jag Improver said. All right, let's give a thumbs up, Jag Improvers.